Dito mismo sa kinakatayuan ko. Dito nyo lang matatagpuan ang luxurious leisure community with affordable prices.
We're not an ordinary real estate development. It's a leisure community that attracts and preserves the nature.
Mountain View Leisure Community, located at Barangay Munting Indang, Nasugbu, Batangas. Welcome to the community where every day feels like vacation. Paano ko nasabi? Dahil hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng community para mag-relax. Nandito na sa MVLC lahat ng kailangan mo.
And these properties bring you closer to nature.
Imagine isang community sa nature at isang condominium sa tuktok ng bundok. You will experience the panoramic views from the top of the mountain.
Dito sa BHBC, dito nyo mahanap ang peace where nature and home become one.
Kaya naman halika at ipapakita ko sa iyo ang ganda ng MVLC. Umpisahan natin sa mga amenities dito. Syempre, meron tayo ditong overlooking infinity pool, bar and amusement, resort outdoor bar, kayak and fishing deck, events place drop-off, viewing deck, MV resort drop-off, resort outdoor dining, and resort cave shower. O diba, amenities pa lang ay talagang pangmamahalin pero sa murang halaga.
Paano ko nasabi? The luxurious and development na to. Saan ka ba naman makakita ng development na may exclusive helipad?
Exclusive helipad sa loob ng community? Oo, tama ka ng pagkakarinig. Isa lang yan sa mga patunay na luxurious talaga ang development na to.
Pero, abot kaya.
Lilinawin ko lang, this development is pre-selling, hindi pa siya tapos. Ang mga nakikita nyo ay perspective ng development, but I promise that what you see is what you get.
For as low as 8,300 pesos per square meter, you can now own your very own farm lot with the free opportunity and enjoying 360 degrees mountain view. Your new, relaxing lifestyle is waiting for you.
No need for bank loans. We offer 0% interest for the first 2 years or 30% cash discount on the total contract price, which makes your 8,300 pesos per square meter into 5,810 pesos per square meter. Minimum of 163 square meter farm lot for less than 1 million pesos.
At BHBC, we offer more than just properties. We offer a way of life.
So what are you waiting for? Find your perfect property in our leisure community today.
At dito lang yan sa
Mountain View Leisure Community
and Mountain Suites and Country Club. Buy one property, own two lifestyle.